student, Assalamu alaikum. In last lecture we study about chemical kinetics and rate of reaction. Today we will be study rate law, rate constant, specific rate constant. So moving toward the rate law. So what is rate law? The rate of a reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of reactant. Rate law हमारे पास क्या है? Rate law show that how rate of a chemical reaction depend on concentration of reactant. It means that the rate of a chemical reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of reactant, and each concentration being raised to some power which may be either integer or fraction. So what is integer? Here integer mean it may be 0, 1, 2 and so on, and fraction mean it may be 0.1, 0.5 and so on. Now moving toward the example, if we look at this reaction, here reactant A react with reactant B to form product. Here small a represent concentration of A and small b represent concentration of B. So the rate expression for this reaction is rate is directly proportional to the concentration of A to the power A, concentration of B to the power B. So rate become is rate is equal to, if we remove the proportionality, rate is equal to K concentration of A to the power A, concentration of B to the power B. This is our equation 1. Such expression is given in equation 1. If we look to this expression is called rate law, and we also call it rate expression. Now moving toward the rate constant. So what is rate constant? The proportionality constant and the rate expression is called rate constant. If we take an example A which form product, the rate expression for this reaction is rate is equal to K concentration of A to the power A. Then if we find the K value from this reaction, K is equal to rate, K is equal to rate divided by concentration of A. So if we look here, rate constant is the ratio between the rate and concentration of reactant. The ratio between rate and concentration of reactant Now moving toward the specific rate constant. What is specific rate constant? If we look to this example, reactant A react with reactant B to form product. The rate for this reaction is dx divided by dt is equal to K concentration of A to the power A, concentration of B to the power B. The proportionality constant K This proportionality constant K is called rate constant or velocity constant. इसको हम rate constant भी कहते हैं और velocity constant भी कहते हैं. Here a and b, here small a and b may be either whole number or zero or fraction. This small a and b, it may be whole number, zero or fraction. So if the concentration of reactant become unity, then the rate constant K become equal to the rate of the reaction, and this rate constant is called specific rate constant. If the concentration of reactant A and B are taken as a unity, the rate constant K is equal to rate of reaction, and the constant K is called specific rate constant. If we write the rate of the reaction for the previous reaction, rate is equal to K concentration of A, concentration of B to the power B. If this become equal to unity, then rate become as rate is equal to K multiply 1. So rate become equal to rate constant. So this rate constant is now called specific rate constant. Specific rate constant.